In IronCAD 2025, we welcome a new enhancement that allows users to edit properties in the property viewer. If I were to click on the crankshaft part, right click, enter interactions and send to object viewer, in the bottom right we'll be able to see the crankshaft part in the object viewer. As well, in the bottom right we'll click on property list and we'll see the different items of each of the different parts. Part numbers can be adjusted directly within the property list viewer. The name is also able to be directly updated in the property list viewer as well too. Simply, if I go to a new part and click Ctrl L, it'll update the property list to also be able to edit the property of the part within the property viewer. This is the new feature that allows users to directly edit the description, part number, part name, and various different properties within the property viewer.